Camille Vasquez has been going viral over her amazing skills in the courtroom during the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard lawsuit. But Elaine Bredehoft, Amber Heard's lawyer, is also one tough cookie with tons of experience, awards, and credentials to back her up. And just like Camille, Elaine is also being eyed by the public for her skills in the courtroom, though sometimes for her mishaps as well. Hi, welcome to YouWannaWatch, and in this video, we're going on a deep dive to know who is Elaine Bredehoft, Amber Heard's lawyer. Personal life and education. There is no information available on the internet about Elaine's exact birth date. She was born between 1958 and 1961. Elaine is a native of the United States of America. Elaine is also an American citizen. Elaine, the well-known lawyer, will be between the ages of 61 and 64 in 2022. Due to a lack of information regarding Elaine's date of birth, her birthday and zodiac sign could not be found on the internet at this time. According to reports, Elaine's full name is Elaine Charlson Bredehoft. According to reports, Elaine received her primary education at a prestigious school. After graduating from high school, she enrolled at the University of Arizona to further her education. Elaine received her Bachelor of Arts degree in 1981. She then attended the Columbus School at the Catholic University of America. In 1984, Elaine received her Juris Doctorate. Elaine prefers to keep information about her family out of the hands of the media. Despite extensive research, we were unable to find Elaine's parents' names on the internet at the time of writing this article. Elaine has never revealed the names of her father or mother due to security concerns. Elaine's father, according to media reports, worked in a private factory. Elaine's mother, on the other hand, ran the household. Elaine hasn't revealed anything about her siblings. Elaine is a committed Christian. She also holds Christian beliefs. Elaine has a good physical appearance. She stands at 5 feet 5 inches tall. Elaine's body weight reflects her white ethnicity. She has a pleasant demeanor. Elaine Bredehoft is charming, passionate, and astute. Elaine has a lovely smile and a cheerful expression. She dresses properly. Career. Elaine Bredehoft, a native of Thief River Falls, Minnesota, has been a lawyer for 34 years. Elaine is admitted to practice in Virginia and the District of Columbia, as well as in their respective federal trial and appellate courts. Elaine has also served as counsel in matters before the United States Supreme Court, as well as an arbitrator and mediator at the request of counsel in a number of jurisdictions. Elaine regularly advises corporations, high-level executives, and employees on employment, severance, restrictive covenant, and stock agreements, as well as other issues that may arise. Elaine continues to actively litigate in federal and state courts throughout the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. In 2003, Elaine received the honor of being inducted into the American College of Trial Lawyers, recognizing the top 1% of attorneys in each state. In 2005, Elaine was inducted into the International Academy of Trial Lawyers, recognizing the top 500 trial attorneys in the United States under the age of 70. And in 2007, Elaine was chosen as a member in the Litigation Council of America, an honorary society comprised of less than 0.5% of American lawyers, and was named a senior fellow in 2015. Elaine served as a faculty member of the Virginia State Bar Professionalism Committee on the invitation of the Virginia Supreme Court, was an invitee by a federal court judge to the Fourth Circuit Judicial Conference in 1997, 1998, and 1999, resulting in her becoming a permanent member, was a 10-year member of the Boyd Graves Conference, a group of judges, legislators, and lawyers advising the legislature on the legal ramifications of statutory construction, was a member of the Governing Council of the Virginia Bar Association section on labor and employment law from 1994 to 2008, served as vice chair of the Virginia Trial Lawyers Annual Meeting in 1997 and 1998, and is a master of the George Mason Inns of Court, now emeritus, formerly a principal of the McLean, Virginia firm of Walton and Adams, P.C. She has been a member of the Executive Committee of the Virginia Bar Association Young Lawyers Division, has served on the Virginia Governor's Commission on Women and Minorities in the Legal System, and was chairperson of the Virginia Model Judiciary Program. Elaine has been recognized in numerous publications over the years, including being named one of the top 10 attorneys in Washington, top 10 attorneys in Virginia, and one of the top 10 super lawyers in the Washington, Baltimore, and Virginia areas by her peers. Elaine has lectured for continuing legal education programs all over the country, primarily in Washington, D.C. and Virginia, on topics relating to all aspects of trial, business, and employment law practice. Net worth. Elaine Bredehoft's successful law practice is her main source of income. Elaine earns a good living from her job. The exact amount of Elaine's remuneration has not yet been determined, but she is always determined to win the case. Elaine's net worth is expected to be between $3 million and $4 million by 2022. She is wealthy. Elaine lives a lavish lifestyle. She lives in a lavish mansion. Amber Heard's case. Elaine Bredehoft, one of Amber Heard's lawyers, stated that her client is not seeking the $100 million she sued her ex-husband for, but rather to send a message to the actor who plays Jack Sparrow. Johnny Depp sued for $50 million, and we sent a message back saying, "Fine, then we're gonna sue for $100 million because look what you did to her. We're not asking you to give $100 million, lawyer Elaine Bredehoft told the jury when she addressed compensation. We're asking you to just look at the damages in this case and just be fair and reasonable in whatever you determine." Benjamin Rottenborn, a member of the defense team, asked the jury to consider the message they would send to all victims of domestic abuse if they ruled in favor of Johnny Depp. If you didn't take pictures, it didn't happen. If you did take pictures, they're fake. If you didn't tell your friends, you're lying. If you did tell your friends, they're part of the hoax. If you didn't seek medical treatment, you weren't injured. If you did seek medical treatment, you're crazy, Rottenborn mentioned. If you do everything that you can to help your spouse, the person that you love, rid himself of the crushing drug and alcohol abuse that spins him into an abusive, rage-filled monster, you're a nag. And if you finally decide enough is enough, you've had enough of the fear, enough of the pain, and you have to leave to save yourself, you're a gold digger. To counterpart that statement, Depp's attorneys continued by saying there is an abuser in this courtroom, but it is not Mr. Depp. Camille Vasquez, who is on Johnny's side, continued. And there is a victim of domestic abuse in this courtroom, but it is not Ms. Heard. Is she a Johnny Depp fan? TikTok conspiracy theorists believe Amber Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, is a secret Johnny Depp fan. In 2013, a netizen noticed a look-alike woman at one of Depp's movie premieres, which sparked the theory. Former couple Amber Heard and Johnny Depp are fighting in a Virginia court over whether Heard's 2018 Washington Post opus ed piece defamed the 58-year-old actor. Some TikTok users believe Elaine Bredehoft is a secret Johnny Depp fan after she was seen holding a camera outside a film premiere in an attempt to catch a glimpse of the leading Hollywood actor. A short brown-haired Elaine Bredehoft impersonator was spotted waiting behind a barricade. The video was shot on July 20, 2013, during the premiere of Depp's film Lone Ranger in London, England. After the video went viral, netizens were convinced that she was willing to act as Heard's lawyer in order to see the actor. Others speculated that her legal team was purposefully underperforming in court so that her favorite actor could win the case. We are nearing the end of our video, but before we proceed, we would like to ask you to please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/c/YouWannaWatch2022 and follow us on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/YouWannaWatch. Any support you provide us will help us provide you with more and better content. Okay, now back to the story. TMZ guy versus Elaine Bredehoft. The jury has finished hearing evidence in Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard after over 100 hours of testimony over 6 weeks. But there were certainly more viral moments in court, such as Amber Heard's lawyer Elaine Bredehoft being struck with a sick burn by a witness while questioning him on the stand. Camille Vasquez, Johnny Depp's lawyer, also had a memorable reaction. Morgan Tremaine, a former TMZ employee, testified on Wednesday about his interactions with the Amber Heard, Johnny Depp relationship in 2016. Elaine Bredehoft accused him of trying to get his 15 minutes of fame while he was testifying, resulting in a heated exchange in court. Tremaine stated that taking the stand would provide him with nothing and that he was putting himself in the crosshairs of TMZ, which had objected to their former employee testifying prior to the judge ruling against the organization. He said he wasn't looking for 15 minutes, but she was welcome to speculate, and then Tremaine said he could say the same taking Amber Heard as a client. Elaine Bredehoft retorted, saying he was a little argumentative, before responding that he found his own claims to be purely logical. The former TMZ employee was on the stand to discuss an assignment involving Amber Heard in 2016, when she was filing a restraining order against Depp. Camille Vasquez, seated on the right, holds back a laugh while Bredehoft and Tremaine engage in their viral back and forth. According to Newsweek, Tremaine claimed that they sent cameras to a downtown Los Angeles courthouse, which very often come from sources such as publicists, managers, agents, lawyers, and celebrities themselves. He stated that the goal was to catch Heard as she left, as well as catch her as she was about to stop and turn towards the camera to display the bruise on the right side of her face. The witness also mentioned a video of Johnny Depp slamming kitchen kitchen cabinets that had been shown in court several times over the years. He claimed that TMZ received the video through their email tip line, which they were able to verify and publish within 15 minutes of receiving it. Tremaine also stated that videos can only be published if they were shot by TMZ, were source verified by the original copyright owner, or were obtained directly from the source. What do you think about Elaine Bredehoft? Do you think she is an awesome lawyer? Did we miss anything that you think should have been included? Let us know your thoughts by writing a comment on this video. If you're interested in our other videos, just hover over the videos and just press play. Until next time, watchers, thank you for watching our video.